Hey, how's it going, everyone? Greetings from Isla Mujeres. We just checked into Nomads. Got ourselves a private room here. They also have hostel rooms, shared rooms, cute little bathroom, nice shower area, super clean. Oh yes. Here's the bedroom area. We booked this place for just one night as we continue to explore the Riviera Maya. It's a nice hammock out here in our balcony area. Got a view of the ocean. Seems to be some kind of activities going on downstairs. Oh yeah. Super excited. Catch up with you guys later. Peace.